Hello everyone. Today I wanted to do my first native species, which is the Bunya Pine, Araucaria bidwillii. It's a very ancient tree and has Gondwanan lineages, and you'll find trees in the same genus all around the world in South America. They're gymnosperm, so they're around before the flowering plants, which means, broadly that they were also dinosaur food. And they produce food that we still eat. I couldn't find a proper pine cone from one for you, but it's about the size of your head and about 10 kilograms, so it's actually a little bit dangerous to stand underneath them and film a video. These are the wedges that you get out of them, and if you hunt around in these, you'll often find seeds. There's one there, it's a bit small. These are the seeds that you're going for, and what you do with those is you boil them, or you chuck them in a fire or in your oven and cook them for about an hour. I think boil them for about half an hour. These will split open, and then you can jam a knife in there and crack them open and get the kernel out. And once they're cooked, they're safe to eat. They have sort of a texture and flavour like a potato. Super important food source for the animals. We couldn't find a single cone because they're just getting obliterated by the local mammals and other animals that are coming in and eating them up. It'd be interesting to video that. And they're highly culturally significant for the Cubby Cubby people and the Jinnaburra people around here. This is on Jinnaburra land, and but also they'd have Bunya festivals, mainly in the Bunya Mountains, I think. And mobs from all different areas would come together, because when these things fruit, there's just a plethora of food. So they'd come together and have a festival and eat and swap and trade, and it was a way that people from huge areas would all come together into one area. As for a tree, they're beautiful big trees. They're emergent, so they'll get right up through the canopy, and they just have that sort of stately, appeal to them when they're sitting above the canopy. They got very sharp leaves, very tough, sharp leaves, and otherwise they're just a general sort of pine tree look to them. And they're kind of symbolic of the hinterland here on the Sunshine Coast. They're kind of the quintessential plant that you'll see towering above other trees and in paddocks and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the Bunya Pine. Thank you for watching.